You think gerrymandering is partisan. It's just geometry, and every commission fails at it. We're not drawing lines for Democrats or Republicans. We're solving a spatial optimization problem with human egos. Since 1995, we've been treating district maps like popularity contests. Spoiler, maps don't care about your feelings. Packing means cramming your voters into one district until they win by 80%. Cracking means slicing them into 5 districts so they lose every single one. It's not malice, it's arithmetic. You're not fighting a party. You're fighting a waste minimization function. Enter the efficiency gap. It measures wasted votes. Every vote past the 51% threshold is wasted. Every vote in a losing district is wasted. Minimize waste, maximize seats. That's the algorithm. And right now, the calculation is brutally efficient. So why not just let code do it? Because code has no incentive structures. Politicians do. They want legislative friction to delay accountability. They want enforcement latency to outlast scandals. You can't optimize a system that's actively sabotaging its own inputs. Independent commissions? Cute. They think fairness is a committee vote. It's not. It's a constraint satisfaction problem. You remove the partisan variable, you don't remove the demographic velocity. You just get mathematically naive results. Populations move, people age, cities grow, that's demographic velocity. If your algorithm doesn't account for migration patterns, your districts rot before the census even prints. You fix the packing, now you crack the suburbs. Solve one bottleneck, you just unlock the next. Fix the cracking, now you trigger the efficiency gap backlash. The system is designed to stall. Every reform hits a new constraint. You want proportional representation? Now you're optimizing for coalition stability. You want compact districts? Now you're ignoring natural community boundaries. There is no perfect state, only trade-offs. Politics is a skill issue. Math is a design choice. You can't outvote a well-optimized district. You can only outcalculate it. And right now, the calculation is brutally efficient. Every weak design choice in redistricting law is just a math problem waiting to exploit it. We've been playing geometry with loaded dice since 2003. The census updates. The algorithms evolve. The laws lag. That lag is where the real power lies. Enforcement latency isn't a bug. It's a feature. And until we treat redistricting like a logistics network instead of a popularity contest, we're just spinning our wheels. So what's the fix? You don't fix it with committees. You fix it with transparent constraint functions. You lock demographic velocity into the algorithm. You cap the efficiency gap. You force compactness without erasing community boundaries. You make the math auditable. Then you let the code run. Gerrymandering isn't a party problem. It's a systems problem. Until we treat redistricting like a logistics network instead of a popularity contest, we're just playing geometry with loaded dice. Comment your fix, or don't. The algorithm already knows.